Hi everyone, I'm Suyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to change your line on Bitget Wallet. Updating your line information ensures your account details are accurate and connected to the right communication platform. So, let's get started on how to change your line on Bitget Wallet. First, open the Bitget Wallet on your device. Tap on the menu icon from the top left corner of your screen. From the list, tap on the Advanced Settings option. Now, tap on the Select Line option. A list of available lines will be displayed. Select the line you like by tapping on it. And this is how you can change your line on Bitget Wallet. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.